Hey guys, I'm back with a new video. In this video, let us learn about null and undefined in JavaScript. So if we try to create a variable, say channel, and don't set it to anything, so what we will get in that case? So let me define a variable called channel, and let us try to log the channel to the console. Console.log channel. Now let me open up the terminal now, and let us navigate to the folder null undefined demo. Okay, so null undefined. Okay, so it is within data types, and then null undefined, and then node null undefined .js. Now we are getting undefined. Why so? Now variable is set to undefined if it has been declared, but it hasn't got the very first value yet. So JavaScript, what it does by default, will set the value for it as undefined. So now let us take the same channel object which we made in the video on objects and try to access a property that does not exist on the channel object. So what I will do here is I will create a new constant and I will name it as channel object, and then we will set up two key value pairs for this channel object. So I will set the detail for the name and the content to web development. Let us try logging the channel object to the console. So of course we are getting the object back that we created. This is the object literal syntax that I discussed on the video on objects. If you don't know about this, check out the link for that video down below this video. Now let us assume that we try to access a property that does not exist on the channel object. So if I try to access a property that is not present on the channel object, that should spit out undefined. So suppose I try to access a property. Okay, so console.log channel object dot subscribers, channel object dot subscribers. Now what should we get in this case? We should get an undefined because this property does not exist on the channel object, and yes, we are getting an undefined. Okay, so what do you conclude from this? Undefined comes into picture when you are trying to access a variable that has been created but not set. The other one we have is null, so let us discuss that as well. Null is also used to represent nothingness, but generally it doesn't say that the value is undefined. It says either the value does not exist or it is void. So someday I suppose I accidentally deleted all the uploaded videos on the channel. Now in that case what will happen is the content for the channel object will get set to null. So we will say channel object dot content set to null. And if I try to log the channel object to the console by saying console.log channel object, let us run the file from the terminal. And you can see we are now getting the content set to null. Previously we were having content to be web development. So this is all about null and undefined in JavaScript. We will cover the last data type for this series in the very next video, and we'll start with more important topics in coming videos. So let's meet each other in the very next video.